Do you want to have more friends? Do you want to be approachable? Do you want more people coming up to you and talking with you? Well, if you want to do that, let me share 4 easy ways how you can be more approachable. The first one is smile. Smile can break all barriers. The more you smile, you warm up to other people. The second, very important, use eye contact. Imagine yourself being around people, and if you are trying to avoid eye contact, what is happening? You're avoiding people. If you have eye contact with people around in the room, they are going to approach you. They are going to come up to you and they are going to warm up to you. The third one, very important in today's times because nowadays most of us are usually on our phones scrolling, even in public gatherings, even in conferences, even in meetings. And that's why this third one is very important. Keep your head up. How is somebody going to approach you when your head is constantly down? You need to look up. You need to look up to people. How will you smile? How will you have that eye contact? So keep your head up. And the fourth one, nod. When you're having a conversation, nod. That is the sign of being present in that conversation. It's a sign for the other person that they are being heard. It's a sign for the other person also to realize that yes, you are with them and you're understanding what they're trying to say. It is a way to keep that conversation going. And when you're able to keep that conversation going, you are going to be more approachable. People are going to warm up to you and they are going to come up to you. So go ahead, practice it and practice it well, and I can guarantee you're going to be more approachable. And if you like the video, connect with me for more. I'm Nidhi, your communication skills trainer and an emotional clarity coach.